guys, do you know that by 2026, India is going to be a 5 trillion US dollar economy, bringing it to the third level of being the highest GDP growth nation in this world. And by 2027, it's gonna be a 5.5 trillion US dollar economy. It is seen that the India is growing at a rate of 10% per annum at the US dollar level. But what does it really imply? It implies that by 2026, there will be a lot of job creations which are going to take place within this country at large. So what? The most important thing is the brain drain. The brain drain which is taking place out of this country will get restricted, as a result of which one of the best MNCs, one of the best jobs and one of the best paymasters will be India in times to come. These figures, these statistics are not illusionary. It has been reported by a lot of economists, especially at the global level, that with this emerging superpower which is there coming up, this country will see a lot of glorious moments in time to come. So as a result of which, guys, you would be seeing a lot of investments which will be coming into this country. There will be lot of job opportunities taking place, and at the same time, your parity of income with that of the foreign nations will also be there. So guys, just have a lot of understanding of how an investment should be done at this point of time, be it in gold, be it in real estate, be it in mutual funds, be it in stocks, or let's say be it even in the bank deposits, and see the growth in your portfolios in time to come. So guys, stay updated with Finance with Siddharth and watch me on new videos which are coming out soon.